Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2013 Harley-Davidson Night Rod Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2013 Harley-Davidson Night Rod Special with 3,133 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with a Trask exhaust and LED turn signals. Powered by a 76 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Night Rod puts 123 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5-gallon fuel capacity, the Night Rod has a 150 to 185 mile range. It has a 26.7 inch seat height and a 670-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Night Rod will need functioning ABS. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's front tire tread depth at 430 seconds and the rear at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the belt guard, and a paint blemish on the clutch lever. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.